Clean water in all of Europe is a particular issue in the EU's Interreg 4B Northwest Europe programme. One of its goals is to eliminate pharmaceutical residues from hospital wastewater. The project in charge of all this is PILS.
The PILS project has 6 partners out of 6 countries. It's 2 water boards from Germany and Netherlands who constructed big treatment facilities for hospitals. We have 2 scientific research institutes that have constructed temporary working treatment facilities for hospitals, and we have 2 universities that are working on research on wastewater systems and sewers.
Gelsenkirchen in the Ruhr district. Attached to the Marian Hospital, a wastewater treatment plant was built which is unique in Europe. Water is filtered in 3 steps, then treated with ozone and activated carbon. The results have satisfied technical manager Dr. Issa Naffel.
We know now that the toxicity after the treatment is far lower than before the treatment. We have also some idea of toxic effect, but how relevant these effects are, we are still investigating this.
The water authority in Zwolle in the Netherlands has constructed a similar plant for treating hospital wastewater. A special technique was adopted here.
In Zwolle we are treating all wastewater from the hospital Isola clinics, and we are investigating which technique is most suitable to do that. For our case, we found out that it's not necessary to have an extra oxidation step. We can work with only biological treatment and then activated carbon filtration. We demonstrated to the whole world that it's possible to have a treatment installation at a hospital site to treat its wastewater and remove successfully all the pharmaceuticals that are in it.
Luxembourg. Here, the Henri Toudon Research Centre hosted the conference where all 6 project partners exchanged results. The advantage of this, as indeed of all Interreg Northwest Europe projects, is to compare experiences and only recommend the best solutions for further use. Switzerland is a participant in this and in many other Interreg Northwest Europe projects. At the EAWAG in Zurich, a leading institute for research into water systems, the problem of eliminating pharmaceutical residues has been a subject for long-term studies. The findings of the PILS project are also helping the pharmaceutical industry to tackle the problem.
We are often addressed by regulatory authorities, what is your participation or contribution to that issue? Learning about the engineering perspective, the solutions we are discussing in the PILS project will also feed back in strategies for the pharmaceutical industry to resolve the issue of pharmaceuticals in the environment.